This is Grade 5 Math, Chapter 3.3, Fractions, Mixed Numbers, and Division Expressions. In this lesson, we will understand and apply the relationships between fractions, mixed numbers, and division expressions. Let's get started. We'll begin by rewriting division expressions as fractions. 3 friends are going to share 2 pizzas equally. What fraction of a pizza does each friend get? Well, to solve that problem, we'll want to take 2 for 2 pizzas divided by 3 friends. Each pizza is divided into 3 equal parts. You can see here how they've been cut into 3 equal parts. If each friend receives an equal part, each friend will get 2/3 of the pizza. We can write 2 divided by 3 in fraction form like this. 2 becomes our numerator, and 3 becomes our denominator. This line here between the fractions acts like our division sign. So this statement, 2/3, could also be read as 2 divided by 3. In this case, 2 divided by 3 and 2/3 means the same thing. Let's work another problem like this together. Mr. Sheldon cuts 3 strawberry pies to share equally among 4 children. What fraction of a strawberry pie does each child get? Well, we're going to begin by dividing 3 by 4. The easiest way to divide the pies would be to cut them into equal quarters. So let's go ahead and do that. There. Now, if each child receives an equal share, and each strawberry pie is divided into 4 equal pieces, with each piece being 1/4 of the pie, let's divide this up amongst the children. So one child will get these pieces, another child will receive these pieces, another child will receive these pieces, and the final child will receive these. Each child gets 3 slices of pie, or 3/4 of a pie. So 3 divided by 4 can be rewritten. The division expression can be rewritten as a fraction, where 3, our dividend, becomes the numerator. Our division sign is replaced by the line, and 4, our divisor, becomes the denominator. So 3 divided by 4 is the same or is equal to 3/4. Now try these 8 practice problems on your own. In problems 2 through 5, express the division expression as a fraction. And in problems 6 through 9, rewrite each fraction as a division expression. Press pause while you complete your work. And there's more work to do when you come back. Now that we've mastered rewriting division expressions as fractions, let's learn to rewrite division expressions as mixed numbers. Katie uses a mold to make 5 equal-sized pies. She then divides the 5 pies equally amongst 4 people. How many pies does each person get? Well, first, let's cut each pie into quarters, since we're dividing them amongst 4 people. We would write our division expression as 5 divided by 4. When we look at our pies, we can see that each person is going to get 1 whole pie plus 1 slice of pie, or 1/4 of a pie. So each person is going to get 5/4 of a pie. Or, as we would rewrite that as a mixed number, we would divide our numerator by our denominator, 5 by 4, to get 1. Remainder 1 becomes our new numerator, and we keep 4 as our denominator. So 5 divided by 4 can be rewritten as 5/4 or 1 1/4. Let's try another problem like this working together. Express 14 divided by 4 as a fraction in its simplest form. Then rewrite the fraction as a mixed number. Okay, so we'll begin by rewriting this division expression in fraction form, which would give us 14 over 4. 14 over 4 can be reduced, as each 14 and 4 are divisible by 2, giving us an equivalent reduced fraction of 7 over 2. Now we want to convert 7 over 2 into a mixed number. There are a couple of different ways we can do that. One is the way that I've been showing you all along, which is to divide the numerator by the denominator, 7 by 2, giving us 3, remainder 1, your remainder becomes your new numerator, and you keep your denominator, 3.5. Another way to do this is to split the fraction into two parts. We know that 2 over 2 gives us 1, correct? We have another 2 over 2, which gives us another 1. We have another 2 over 2, which gives us another 1. And then we have 1 left over, which gives us 1/2. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. So now we can see we have 1, 2, 3, and 1/2. So 7 over 2 as a mixed number is 3.5. You can use whichever technique works best for your brain. And let's finish out today's lesson with 4 final practice problems. In each of these problems, please express the division expression as a fraction in its simplest form first, then rewrite the fraction as a mixed number. So each of these problems will have 2 answers, the fraction in its simplest form, and then the fraction rewritten as a mixed number. Thanks for your hard work with fractions and division expressions today, and don't forget to be awesome. See you tomorrow.